So let me tell you how to use your raindrops. If you are wanting to alleviate any of your scalp issues, and if you're wanting extreme hair growth, I recommend using it every other night to every 2 nights. Take a little bit, rub it onto your fingertips. Do not apply this dropper directly to your scalp because you'll be overusing the product. And so a little goes a long way. It's very concentrated. I was very intentional about how I made this product because I wanted it to last you for a very long time. So you take it, you rub it onto your fingertips, and you massage your scalp for about 5 minutes every time you use it. And even when you're not using it, every night you should massage your scalp 5 minutes before you go to bed because it promotes hair growth. It brings blood flow to the follicle and it promotes your hair to grow. So that's how you use raindrops when you're trying to grow your hair or if you're trying to get rid of any scalp issues. If you need it more frequently, that's up to you. But from what I've seen in performance and the testing that I've done and results that I've asked customers about, every other night or every 2 nights is when you should do it, okay? When it comes to your skin, if you have dry skin, you can apply it to your dry skin just a little bit. I have some of my customers that like to put it in their lotion. And so therefore they're using the lotion all the time and all they had to do was put in a couple of drops into their lotion. Some put it into their bath water and that works for them. If you're wanting to use it for moisture, which I only suggest for fine hair clients or customers, you definitely can do that. If you want to refresh your curls with it in the morning, you put a couple of drops into your hand, you rub your hands together, and then you squeeze it onto your curls. You scrunch it onto your curls just like that, and then you begin to shape out your curls when they come out of your bonnet or your silk scarf or whatever you do at night to protect your hair. So that's the way you can use it for moisture. If you are using it when you have braids, you can just apply it to your fingertips, put it onto your scalp. You can apply it if you wear weaves or wigs when your hair is braided down. Before the weave is applied or the wig is applied, take it, put it on your fingertips, and apply it to your scalp. That is the best way to use it so that you can use it for a very long time, 1 bottle for a long time. Do not overuse it because you don't have to. All right, so those are the different ways that you can use our raindrops and get maximum benefits of hair growth, alleviated scalp issues, easy detangling, less shedding, hair thickening, moisturized skin, healing. If you have like a pimple somewhere, you can put it on a Q-tip and put it on the pimple if you have any bumps, anything like that. So those are the ways that you can use our raindrops.